in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to help you resolve if you're coming across an issue on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 device that there is no audio device installed. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. First thing I would suggest doing would be just to restart your computer entirely. And then if you have any peripheral devices connected to your device, I'd recommend disconnecting those speakers, specifically in the context of this tutorial, and plugging them back in and see that it's able to kind of help resolve the problem. You may also want to try plugging in external speakers into a different USB port or plugging them into a different device entirely and seeing if you're having an issue specifically with that device. In that case, you would just need new speakers. They don't last forever, so just keep that in mind. And then something else we can try here as well would be to open up the search menu, type in Device Manager. Best results should come back with Device Manager. Go ahead and select that. And now you want to locate your audio inputs and output section up at the top. Right-click on your speaker device and then select Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for drivers, and then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select a manufacturer-specific one if you can. Otherwise, you can select a generic one and then select Next. Close out of here, and then I would suggest restarting your computer once more. You can reach out directly to the manufacturer of your speakers and see if they have any troubleshooting tips or drivers available for your speakers that may be newer than what Windows has installed on it. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.